blackberry.com.
Hi, this is Ewan recording for Crackberry. I'm at Mobile World Congress with Jeff. Hi there, Jeff.
Hey, Ewan,
hello.
how are you?
Very good, very good.
Good.
Now, can you show us what's new with the playbook here?
Yeah, so since we last spoke with you guys at Crackberry at CES, we've seen some additional software come to the playbook. The first thing I want to show you is an example of EA Games Need for Speed, and we announced our partnership with EA Games last week. So we're going to be supporting both Need for Speed and Tetris out of the box on Playbook for free. So I'm going to go into Need for Speed here. I've got a full garage, different cars. Is there a particular car you want to see, Ewan?
Oh, hey, I like the silver one, man.
Okay,
yeah.
This is a Nissan GT something or other. So I'm going to go back. A couple of different game modes you can play. There's a drift mode. I'm just going to do a quick race just to give you guys a bit of a demo.
Right.
Do random course. So, this application was built by EA using our native SDK. And it's just a testament to the professional grade performance of the playbook. So
wow.
It utilizes the accelerometer, here, let's get a sense. Control the car by turning the device. You can actually drift this car here, and I can bump them out of the way. I can throw some NOS on it. I guess. Oh.
Stuck in traffic there.
Get out of my way. If you want to brake, you just hold down on the display. And I'm going to see if I can drift around this corner. There we go.
Hey.
Oh, that was a solid drift.
Nicely done. Oh, look at that.
That was huge. So I'll power it up again on the NOS. And what's really cool is that, I think last time we spoke we were showing you multitasking.
Right.
I can minimize this and launch another application while I'm going. Right?
still actually going.
And so okay, let's open up this Quake 3 demo. Still playing the game here in the background while Quake 3 loads, right? Which is really cool. I mean, it just shows the power and the robustness of the platform based on Unix, right?
Wow.
So you get, your Need for Speed and your Need for Quake at the same time.
Oh no.
Okay, so let's throw this one away. I also want to show you a little bit of Tetris.
Right.
So Tetris is one of those games actually played in portrait mode.
Ah.
But again, Tetris, one of the best-selling mobile games of all time.
Right.
Full game available, free of charge, out of the box on Playbook.
Fantastic. Can't go wrong with a bit of Tetris.
Yeah. So just go in here, skip the tutorial. It's playing this a little bit on the plane ride over. Pretty addictive, So you can see where you're going to land, and you can speed up the.
Right. Oh, I see. Yeah.
If you want to, if you want to change the orientation, I should probably try a little harder, or else I'm going to get criticized online.
Yeah.
So I'll come down and move that in.
Right.
Flip this around. Plug that in there.
That's nicely done.
Right. Oh shoot. There we go. But you get the idea.
Totally.
Right?
Totally.
So users are going to be pretty thrilled about the gaming platform on Playbook. Now, I mean, like I said, both of these applications are developed in the native SDK.
Right.
We're going to have more information on that kind of coming soon. But this is just, I think, a testament to the power of the gaming platform on Playbook and what the dual core processor and the Unix-based OS can all do. Right.
Very nice.
So that's kind of the consumer side of things.
Right.
And if you have another 2 seconds, I'll just show you, a couple of demo apps that our friends at SAP have built. So, this isn't, an application that's going to be available on App World per se, but just an application to kind of help demonstrate what's possible through SAP.
Right.
So this is an app or a demo that they've built called Always in Stock, and so you get your floor plan or your layout of your store, and I see here that this particular item needs restocking. So I can go to the rack, I can see that this particular shirt needs to be replenished. I could go in, I could put in a quantity of units. Something like that.
And this is Adobe Air then?
Yeah, this is built-in Air. So that's done. I've replenished that order, and you go back in here, go to the rack, and that item that I just did is now going to be replenished. So that's just kind of one app that SAP is building. There's another application. If I can find it here, I think it's PA Calculator. So this is an application that's quite feasible, right? Leveraging the data that would be populated through like an SAP Excelsius dashboard. So this gives you an opportunity to see sales figures, and I can interact. If I cranked up the sales, or went to 80% of sales or something like that, it shows how that impacts the rest of the mix. So that's just another application that our enterprise customers could build, using the platform.
Gotcha. Really, really cool, Jeff. Thank you very much indeed.
Happy to spend time with Crackberry anytime.
Thank you, man.
Thanks.
Crackberry.com